If you're in your 20s right now, you have an unfair advantage that no other generation in history has ever had. Not your parents, not your grandparents, not even millennials who are just 10 years older than you. This advantage is worth over $1.2 million by the time you retire. And 90% of Gen Z has no idea it exists. I'm talking about time, specifically 40 years of compound interest that boomers wish they could buy back for any price. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why starting to invest at 25 beats, starting at 35 by over $600,000. The 3 specific advantages Gen Z has that older generations didn't. And the exact step-by-step plan to turn this advantage into real wealth building. This is investing for beginners who want to retire rich. Let's break down the math. Here's what nobody tells you about personal finance. The biggest factor in building wealth isn't how much you make. It's not how smart you are. It's not even how much you save. It's how early you start. Warren Buffett made 96% of his wealth after age 65. But here's the part everyone misses. He started investing at age 11. That's 70 years of compound interest working for him. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need a finance degree. You just need to start now and let time do the heavy lifting. And if you're Gen Z, you have something boomers would pay millions to get back. Decades of compounding ahead of you. This video covers 3 massive advantages Gen Z has. First, the time advantage and why 40 years beats 10 years by over $1 million. Second, the technology advantage that makes investing easier and cheaper than ever. Third, the information advantage that older generations never had access to. Then I'll give you the exact 3-step plan to capitalize on these advantages starting today. This isn't theory. This is financial education that changes your life trajectory. Ready? Here's advantage number 1. The time advantage. This is the nuclear weapon of wealth building. Let me show you 2 people. Sarah and Mike. Sarah starts investing at 25. Mike starts at 35. Just 10 years difference. Sarah invests $500 per month from age 25 to 65. That's 40 years. Total contributions? $240,000. Mike invests $500 per month from age 35 to 65. That's 30 years. Total contributions? $180,000. Sarah contributed $60,000 more. But watch what happens with 8% average annual returns. Sarah at 65 has $1.7 million. Mike at 65 has $734,000. The difference? $966,000. Almost $1 million. From starting just 10 years earlier. Let me say that again. Starting at 25 instead of 35 is worth almost $1 million. Same monthly contribution, same investment strategy. The only difference is time. This is compound interest. Your money makes money. Then that money makes money. Then that money makes money. It snowballs exponentially. And here's the crazy part. Most of Sarah's wealth came in the last 10 years. At age 55, she had $800,000. At 65, she had $1.7 million. She almost doubled her entire portfolio in the final decade. Why? Because by age 55, her contributions were tiny compared to the compound growth. She was earning over $60,000 per year just from investment returns, more than her annual contributions. That's the power Gen Z has. You're 22? You have 43 years until retirement? You're 28? You have 37 years. Every single year matters exponentially. Boomers started investing in their 40s and 50s. They missed the most powerful compounding years. You won't make that mistake. But time alone isn't enough. You need advantage number 2. The technology advantage. This is where Gen Z absolutely dominates. 30 years ago, investing meant calling a stockbroker, paying $50 per trade, minimum account balances of $5,000, complicated paperwork, no transparency on fees. Regular people couldn't invest. It was a rich person's game. Today, you can start investing with $5. Zero commission trades. Open an account in 10 minutes from your phone. Buy fractional shares of any company. Automate everything. Apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, and Schwab have zero account minimums. Zero trading fees. You can buy 0.01 shares of Apple if you want. You can invest spare change automatically. This is money management that didn't exist for boomers. They had to save thousands before they could start. You can start today with whatever you have. But here's the bigger advantage: index funds and ETFs. 40 years ago, if you wanted diversification, you had to buy individual stocks. 50 different companies. 50 trading fees. Constant monitoring and rebalancing. Today, you buy one ETF. VOO, ticker symbol VOO. You instantly own 500 companies. Total cost? $3 per year for every 10,000 invested. Boomers paid financial advisors 1 to 2% annually. On a $100,000 portfolio, that's $1,000 to $2,000 per year. Over 30 years, those fees cost them hundreds of thousands in lost returns. You pay $3, they paid $2,000. That's a 667 times difference. This technology advantage means you keep more of your returns. You start with less money. You automate the entire process. And you have access to the same investments as billionaires. Warren Buffett himself recommends index funds for regular people. You have access to them with $5. Boomers didn't have this option until they were in their 40s. But technology alone isn't enough. You need advantage number 3, the information advantage. This might be the most underrated advantage of all. Boomers learned about investing from financial advisors who made commissions selling them expensive products, or from books written by Wall Street insiders, or not at all. Gen Z learns from YouTube, Reddit, TikTok, podcasts, blogs, all free, all accessible, all transparent. You're watching this video right now. Free financial education that would have cost thousands in advisor fees 30 years ago. You can learn about index funds, tax-advantaged accounts, dollar cost averaging, asset allocation, and compound growth in an afternoon. For free. Boomers didn't have this. They trusted financial advisors who charged 2% fees and underperformed the market. They bought actively managed mutual funds with 5% front loads. They made expensive mistakes because they didn't have access to information. You have access to everything. Every strategy, every mistake to avoid, every success story, every cautionary tale. But here's the trap. Information without action is worthless. Boomers had less information, but many of them still invested. Gen Z has infinite information, but many never start. Don't let analysis paralysis stop you. You don't need to know everything before you start. You need to know enough to take the first step. Which brings us to the action plan. Here's exactly how to capitalize on your Gen Z advantages. 3 steps. Simple, actionable. Starting today. Step 1. Open a Roth IRA at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Takes 10 minutes. 0 account minimum. Link your bank account. This is your tax-advantaged investing account. Money grows completely tax-free forever. Why Roth IRA? Because you're young and in a lower tax bracket now. Pay taxes on contributions today, then never pay taxes again. When you retire with $1 million, you withdraw it all tax-free. Boomers mostly used traditional IRAs. They got tax deductions up front, but pay taxes in retirement. You're doing the opposite. Better deal for young investors. Step 1. Open Roth IRA. Done. Step 2. Set up automatic monthly contributions. $50, $100, $200. Whatever you can afford consistently. This is the key. Consistency beats amount. $50 per month for 40 years beats $500 per month for 5 years. Automated, same day, every month. Same amount, you never forget. You never skip, you never try to time the market. This is money management on autopilot. Set it once, let it run for decades. Step 2, automate contributions. Done. Step 3, buy a total market index fund. VOO or VTI, that's it. VOO is the S&P 500, 500 largest US companies. VTI is total US market, 3,500 companies. Both are excellent. Expense ratio, 0.03%. That's $3 per year for every 10,000 invested. You're not picking stocks. You're not timing the market. You're not chasing trends. You're buying the entire market and holding forever. This strategy beats 95% of professional investors over 10 years. It's simple, it's cheap, it works. Step 3, buy index fund. Done. That's the complete plan. Open Roth IRA. Automate contributions. Buy index fund. 3 steps. You can complete all 3 today in 30 minutes. Let me show you what this looks like with real numbers. You're 25. You invest $200 per month. That's less than $7 per day. Less than a daily coffee and lunch. At 8% average annual returns, here's what happens. Age 35. You have $37,000. You contributed $24,000. The market added $13,000. Age 45. You have $118,000. You contributed $48,000. The market added $70,000. Age 55. You have $304,000. You contributed $72,000. The market added $232,000. Age 65. You have $708,000. You contributed $96,000. The market added $612,000. You put in $96,000 over 40 years. The market turned it into $708,000. That's the Gen Z advantage. Now imagine you increase contributions as your income grows. Start with $200 per month. Increase to $300 after 5 years. $400 after 10 years. You could easily hit $1 to $2 million by retirement. From starting with $200 per month at 25. This is wealth building that boomers wish they understood at your age. You have the information. You have the technology. You have the time. The only question is, will you use it? Here's everything you need to remember. Gen Z has 3 massive advantages. Time, technology, information. Time gives you 40 years of compound interest. Technology gives you zero-fee investing with $5. Information gives you free financial education that used to cost thousands. The action plan is simple. Open Roth IRA. Automate contributions. Buy index fund. Do this today and you'll retire with more wealth than 90% of boomers. Not because you're smarter, not because you earn more, because you started earlier and stayed consistent. This is investing for beginners that actually works. No complicated strategies, no risky stock picking. Just simple, proven personal finance that compounds over decades. Your 25-year-old self is giving your 65-year-old self $1 million gift. Don't waste it. Open that account today. Drop a comment below with which brokerage you chose. Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Let's build wealth together.